Hi guys, welcome to Home Cooking by On. Today I'm making green curry with chicken and vegetables. So stay tuned until the end of this video. You might be able to do it at the end. So let's get cooking. You will need about 500 grams of chicken breast slices and some sauce like palm sugar, fish sauce, green curry paste, and coconut cream. Firstly, you need to wash all the vegetables before you cut them. Today I couldn't find the round eggplant, so I'm gonna use substitute vegetable like carrot, zucchini, and cabbage. So let's get started. So the coconut cream in first, about 3 tablespoons, followed by the green curry paste. And then you would fry them until the fragrance come out. Then when you see this bubbly oil from coconut cream come out, so you add the chicken breast. Stir very well and then add a little bit of salt and the remaining of the coconut cream. So keep the lid on for a few minutes, and then when you see the chicken that cooked, so you add palm sugar and the fish sauce. Now you put the carrot in first because the carrot takes longer to cook. Keep the lid on for another 2 minutes. When it's boiling, so stir through very well. And now it's time for a little bit of taste. The moment of truth. It tastes really good now. So now it's time to put all the remaining vegetable in. Continue cooking for another few minutes. When it's boiling, now you can add the last ingredient, that is kaffir lime leaf or basil leaf or coriander leaf. There you have it, chicken green curry with mixed vegetables. If you like my cooking, please subscribe Home Cooking by On, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.